Weebly and HubSpot CMS, two giants in website building, but only one can be your perfect match. Which one truly stands out? On one side, we have Weebly, famous for its easy drag and drop design. On the other, HubSpot CMS, loaded with marketing power and customization. We'll be reviewing what really matters, ease of use, features, integrations, pricing, support, and more. Forget the marketing promises, let's look at what they actually deliver. Every category gets scored, so by the end you'll know exactly which one wins for your needs. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's how we're going to tackle this. We'll look at price, ease of use, marketing and SEO, security and hosting, customizability, integrations and extensibility, and finally, support and resources. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with price. So, Weebly, honestly, this one's hard to beat for beginners. There's a free tier, and even their pro plan is budget-friendly. That said, you do have to pay up if you want those really advanced features. Kind of a classic, right? Now, HubSpot CMS, oh man, the sticker shock is real here. The entry price is much steeper, and if you're thinking of upgrading, yeah, it can get expensive fast. Of course, you're getting managed hosting and business-ready tiers, but for pure affordability, Weebly takes this one. On to ease of use. Weebly's drag and drop builder is like classic Lego blocks level simple. I mean, you barely need any tech skills to get a nice site going. There's a little trade-off though, not a ton of design flexibility, but hey, it's reliable and easy. Now, HubSpot CMS comes in with a modern editor. The interface looks sharp and you get cool tools like staging, but honestly, the setup is a bit more intimidating. There's a learning curve, especially for beginners. For anyone new or just wanting fast results, Weebly absolutely wins here. Or anyone new or just wanting fast results, Weebly absolute. Next up, marketing and SEO stuff. Weebly does cover the basics. You get some built-in SEO tools. Nothing crazy, mostly the essentials. But HubSpot CMS. Okay, now this is where it gets spicy. If you're serious about inbound marketing, it's all baked in. Deep CRM integration, smart content personalization. It's like your marketing nerd friend built a CMS. Some features do cost extra, but overall, for marketing power, HubSpot easily pulls ahead. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Weebly was actually acquired by Square back in 2018, so that's part of why it's so beginner-friendly now. And get this, HubSpot only launched their CMS in 2020. Yep, it's the new kid on the block, but it's already making big waves. Let's talk security and hosting for a sec. So, with Weebly, you're getting SSL on paid plans and pretty reliable hosting. But, and this is a big but, no real enterprise level stuff here. In other words, it's secure for small projects, but maybe not Iron Man secure. And then you've got HubSpot CMS, which honestly goes above and beyond. Built-in CDN, SSL from day one, 24/7 threat monitoring, automatic scaling, the works. And, while you can't self-host, you definitely win peace of mind with HubSpot. Customizability? This is where things start to split. Weebly's strength is how quickly you can swap templates, but if you want serious tweaks, it's a pretty walled-off garden, so not much for developers to mess with. HubSpot CMS though? Whoa. If your team wants to go wild with custom modules, APIs, or really dynamic stuff, it's all possible. There's a catch though, you'll need someone with developer skills for the advanced magic. Still, in terms of what's possible, HubSpot CMS is the winner, hands down. Integrations. Okay, so Weebly has an app center. It'll let you cover basic needs, some e-commerce, email, that kind of thing. But it's not huge. If you're looking for a flashy ecosystem, it's just not there. Now with HubSpot CMS, integrations are absolutely next level. Deep links to marketing, sales, robust APIs, it's like built for businesses that want to really grow. Sure, a lot favors the HubSpot ecosystem, but if you're all in, it's unbeatable. Winner's obvious here. Last up, support and resources. Weebly gives you email support on paid tiers, and actually, their community is pretty active, which is nice. Lower tiers do miss out on phone support though. But okay, HubSpot CMS brings out the big guns, 24/7 support, a massive knowledge base, and their academy, which is genuinely super helpful. You do get even more hand-holding on higher plans, but overall, HubSpot is just really tough to match here. Now, let's zoom out for a sec and compare these two side by side. I'll throw up a quick radar chart so you can actually see how each platform stacks up, category by category. It really helps put the differences in perspective. So here's my honest takeaway. If you're just starting out, or you want something super simple and affordable, Weebly is kind of perfect. For beginners, small teams, freelancers, no headaches. But if you're aiming for growth, crave powerful marketing tools, or want a site that can flex with your business, HubSpot CMS feels like a future-proof move. Just be ready for that price tag and the learning curve. If you liked this breakdown and want more honest, quick comparisons, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We've got a lot more like this coming up.